Grabe guys, another prophecy fulfilled na naman ni Pastor Perez ND. Grabe 'to guys, nakakakilabot talaga lahat ng mga sinasabi niya nangyayari 'no, yung lindol, yung volcanic eruption, ngayon na naman yung water problem na sinasabi niya guys nangyari na talaga. Grabe, ito panoorin natin ha.
The next prophecy for the Philippines is I see water problems. I see water covering the Philippines. I'm seeing water covering houses in the Philippines. And I became sad about it. I'm like, what's going on, Lord? Because they are amazing people. The Philippines are amazing people. When I was little, I used to watch movies from the Philippines. I naturally love that land. But I don't watch those movies anymore, okay? Now I'm for Christ. But I saw in the Philippines, I saw water problem, a tsunami, tsunami hurricane.
So kung sasabihin niyo guys, hindi naman tama 'yan kasi tsunami yung sinasabi niya, eh. Guys, alam mo yung nangyari ngayon, yung pag-storm surge, para na lang para na ring tsunami yung nangyari. Alam mo yung iba na yung baha ngayon, eh, hindi na katulad dati na tataas lang yung tubig, ngayon talagang bubulusok. Parang talaga siyang tidal wave, parang tsunami 'no, in that case. Kaya naku guys, totoo talaga
Tsunami
'to.
hurricane. I saw a tsunami in the form of hurricane. It came and swallowed the Philippines. Many places in the Philippines.
'Di ba yung Cebu,
So please, the
grabe.
Philippines, prepare yourself. Prepare yourself. Make sure you know how to swim. Prepare yourself. Make sure you have something in the house in case water is coming to cover your houses.
Yes.
And I saw a lot of people die in the water. It was so strong that they had a state emergency. The government started crying. And many presidents were traveling to the Philippines just to say, sorry, Philippines.
Grabe.
I saw many people died in the water, but some people were rescued from the water. So the Philippines should pray because I see water disaster coming to their country.
There you go. There you go, 'di ba hindi lang tsunami kundi water disasters yung sabi niya. So ano pa bang matatawag natin sa nangyari sa Cebu, 'di ba? Even sa Leyte, 'di ba?
I see water disaster coming to the country of the Philippines. You may be asking, what should we do, brother? Repent, Philippines. If you guys organize a fasting, like maybe 3 days fasting for the whole nation, if every Christian gather and fast for 3 days and repent before God for any evil they are doing, God is going to change his mind. I've given you guys the solution. But if you guys don't fast and pray and repent, then it's going to happen, guys. So I'm giving you guys the solution. I also saw prostitution in.
There you go. So hindi hindi siguro nagkaisa yung Cebu talaga sa pag-fasting and praying kasi alam niyo guys, 'di ba yung puntirya talaga ng bagyo nung time na yun is Dinagat Islands dito sa amin sa Surigao del Norte, and I believe no yung mga grabe siguro yung fasting at saka praying ng mga kasama naming pastors doon sa Dinagat kasi grabe, as in hindi siya talaga naglandfall doon. Kasi yun talaga yung puntirya 'di ba ng bagyo, pero guys grabe talaga. Pero I'm not saying na masaya tayo na nangyari yun sa Cebu 'no, pero thank God talaga kasi nangyari na 'to sa'min sa Odette, eh, at talaga talagang shock pa kami hanggang ngayon kasi marami pa sa amin dito hindi pa nakakabawi sa nangyari sa Odette. Kaya grabe talaga guys, you people of Cebu really need to pray and fast, 'no? Grabe. Kaya guys, ano masasabi niyo dito? Don't forget to comment down below kung do you agree, if it's a for fulfilled prophecy or not, or what. So have a great day everyone. Bless.